I'm getting ready to move into my new dorm, so I got a new comforter set to make my decor prettier and make sleeping a lot more comfortable. This is the Honeymoon Home Fashion Bed and a Bag comforter set. So the Honeymoon Home Fashion comforter set comes with a comforter, like you see here, a sheet and a fitted sheet, a pillowcase that matches both, and a pillowsham, as well as a bed skirt and the bag that it all comes in. This can help with laundry, or you can keep this to store it in as well. So I got the twin extra long for my dorm because that is the bed size we have. They do have 3 sizes in total: the twin extra long, and the full. So this is the pop-up hamper that comes with it. Here you have 2 handles to easily carry. You also have the ability to adjust it, so if you want to cover it, maybe it's raining and you're transporting it, or that's just how you want to do it, that's there for you as well. It's so easy to collapse as well. All I have to do is put it in half and fold it, and there you go. Easy to store, and great for putting in small places. The first thing I noticed about the sheets and pillow slips is that they are so soft, and I think you could see Trixie here agrees as well because she is sleeping. The sheets, they're so soft, and most printed sheets I think feel way too rough or thin because of the dye, but these are so soft. They're made of 100% microfiber lines, which is more durable than 100% thread count cotton fabric. And the fabric is wrinkle resistant as well. That's great because at college you can't always bring an iron or anything like that. But these are just so soft, and they're going to make sleeping so nice. Isn't that right, Trixie? So these are machine washable as well. On the little insert, it does say it's for machine wash in cold with similar colors on gentle cycle. And then it says tumble dry low and remove promptly. Do not bleach, iron, or dry clean. So that's very helpful. I think it's great for college kids because, you know, no one's going to sit there and want to bleach this or go out have the money to dry clean this. This is a very nice set. So check this out and other patterns available from Honeymoon Home on Amazon. The link will be down below so you can see all of that and make a great college gift, or if you're looking to brighten up your room, you can also get that as well. So let me give you a better look at the bed skirt we have here. Now this goes under the entire mattress. I have done it here to show you. It goes on the entire underneath the entire mattress. You'll see there are 3 sides, and then one side does not have a skirt, and that is for the top of your bed where your pillows go and everything like that. Here we have the comforter. The comforter is in fact reversible. So if you do not want to have pretty stars, you can have a nice royal blue color to look great with your dorm. And as you can see, you could probably think Trixie likes the stars in white. So here we have our pillow slip. This matches the sheet and the fitted sheet. It is so soft. I wish you could feel this right now. It's so soft. It's softer than a lot of the colored prints that I've had. It fits a pretty good size pillow. This is a pretty fluffy pillow, and I've had trouble with it fitting certain pillowcases, but this one has enough left over that it fits just right. Here we have the pillowsham. This matches the top of the comforter, and all you have to do is Find the slit right down the back and put your pillow in it that way so it keeps the design intact. So let's take a better look at these sheets. Sorry, Trixie. So here we have our sheet, and just like the pillowcase, it's so soft. It feels just like your white cotton sheet, soft, light. It's actually kind of surprising because I'm used to rougher sheets with designs on them. So you might notice that there is some bunching. Like I said earlier, this is for a twin extra long, and my bed right here at home is a twin. So there's going to be a little bit extra, but it's going to fit perfectly when I go to my dorm next week. And here's your fitted sheet. It matches the regular sheet and your pillowcase, and is just as soft as both. And what are you doing? Oh. And as you can see, Trixie is a comfort-loving dog, and she has not left her spot on this bed. So she loves this. She agrees that it is very comfortable. As you can see, she really likes it. You might notice my walls are purple and that this might not necessarily go with my room, but like I said, this is right for my dorm. I have a blue theme going on there, and I was really excited to see this set on Amazon. It's a very nice, comfortable set, great for anyone looking to redesign their dorm, their new apartment. And it makes it even better that it comes with its own little bag that you can carry it in, or even have your laundry. So that is the Honeymoon Home Fashions 6-piece comforter set. This is a twin extra large size, and there are 2 other sizes with it as well. Please check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching, guys.